Hey guys, I'm making a pink simple slime, so I'm Elena, but I'm doing the pink slime. So, glue, I have both activated, and nothing much problems. Okay. So, let's get food coloring. So, it's nearly finished. So, let's just start in the food coloring. I don't want it to go quickly, so now I'm using a marker. It's working really. And this is why we're not mine. It's what my friend I'm making. Slime. And whatever I like. On here. So, my final product is nearly finished. Now, time to get mixing. Just to tell you I'm not a good really slime, but I made a slime. It's good. It's pink. Well, kind of pink, but needs more mixing. I did it on a box and it turned out great. Now it starts to get grippy. So let's just get mixing. It's nearly finished. And it's crunchy. Good, nice. And bye. Please give this a and remember to comment down below what kind of slime would you make, and please subscribe, please. At least we will get 100 subscribers, and for the comments 100 subscribers. So bye then.